Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to make your Instagram account as a private. So let's start. First of all, open your Instagram app. Then tap on your profile icon. Then tap on main menu. At the bottom, you can see the settings option. So tap on settings option. Then tap on privacy option. Now go to the connection section and tap on account privacy. So here is the option private account. So to make your Instagram account as a private, tap on the toggle button. But when you make your Instagram account as a private, only people you can approve will see your photos, videos and your stories. But your existing followers won't be affected. So to make your Instagram account private, tap on the toggle button. It will ask you for the confirmation, so tap on OK. So in this way, we can make our Instagram account as a private account. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.